Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well, and in this video I am going to show you how to add video in your presentation slides in your PowerPoint. So many people face the problem that how he or she can easily add the video. So here what we can do is, first of all, you need to open your PowerPoint, then you need to create a blank PowerPoint presentation here, and then you have to click on the insert in the ribbon. Then you have to choose the video option from the right hand side of the ribbon. Then here there are two options actually. Then the first one is this device and the other one is online videos. So for in this device you can only choose the videos that are currently in your device, and from online videos you can simply paste the link that you would like to paste in your slide. So for example, I would going for the online videos here, and here you have to wait couple of seconds because it takes time to load. Then here you can just simply place the link that you would like to place here the video. So for example, I would like to place this video, and here you can see the video is already here. And then if I click on the insert, it will take a couple of seconds to insert it, and here you can see the contacting the server information, and here you can see the video is already inserted. And as well as you can also insert the video from your device as well, and I have already shown you the process. And you can, if you simply click on the this device, there will be the option of choosing videos from your device. So thank you very much for watching this video.